Hello and welcome to a new video of Sun Nomads. Here are 10 things you definitely have to do in Cape Town, South Africa. So enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up if you like it, and let's get started. Only a few cities in the world could impress us as much as Cape Town. Where else do you have such a diverse and breathtaking landscape that is almost always present? No matter where you are in Cape Town, you either look at the majestic Table Mountain, which impresses with its formation and central location alone, or you see the rock and cliff formations of the Cape, dreamlike beaches, or magnificent vineyards. Since Cape Town is so diverse and beautiful, try to see as many places as possible during your visit. There are many ways to explore the city. You can use the well-developed public bus system, the widespread hop-on hop-off buses, Uber, or rent your own car. The streets are in good condition and parking is not a problem in most places. If you're fit, it's also especially fun to explore the city on foot. However, it is recommended to walk only during the day. After dark, better take an Uber. The view from Table Mountain is breathtaking. Whether you hike up or take the cable car, you should definitely be on top of the Table Mountain during your stay in Cape Town. Be sure to take enough to drink, sunscreen and a jacket with you. There's always a cold wind up there. Not only for great photos is the colorful Bo-Kaap district worth a visit, it also has a lot to offer in terms of cuisine and culture. The Bo-Kaap district still suits the charm of times long past, when freed slaves from the former colonies settled on the slopes of Signal Hill in the 17th and 18th centuries and brought their culture with them. The construction and architecture has hardly changed. Today, this district is the last neighborhood to present the old Cape Town. Historic buildings stand on every corner. The Kirstenbosch Botanical Garden is located on the east side of the Table Mountain, and a visit is a must on any trip to Cape Town. Only native South African plants are shown there, and especially the flora of the Cape region can be wonderfully observed here. Don't miss a visit to the Victoria and Alfred Waterfront, because here are countless stores, colorful art markets, cinemas, the Two Oceans Aquarium, museums, a Ferris wheel, and a huge selection of different restaurants. At the same time, various boat tours can be booked and started from here, for example to Robben Island. Also, street musicians, dancers, and artists can be admired at the waterfront, who offer quite impressive shows. Signal Hill stretches for about 5 kilometers and should also be on your list. At the top, there are several viewpoints that offer beautiful perspectives of the waterfront, the city center, and Robben Island. In the late afternoon and evening, many people gather to watch the sunset over the sea with a glass of wine. Since the road leads up to Signal Hill and there is a parking lot at the top, access is very easy and the atmosphere on the mountain is truly unique. But again, don't forget a jacket and bring a blanket. Muizenberg is the perfect seaside resort located just outside Cape Town that you should definitely visit. The fine sandy beach stretches over 32 kilometers and is lined with small colorful houses that function as changing rooms. Here you can not only sunbathe but also surf and even swim, because the water is already a few degrees warmer than on the Atlantic side of the Cape. Not directly in Cape Town but only one town further, in Simonstown, you can see penguins at Boulders Beach. The free-living colony is having a good time here and is not bothered by people. Simonstown itself is a nice place which also invites you to stay. We highly recommend to visit the wineries around Cape Town. An easy way is to combine it with a city tour in modern hop-on hop-off buses, which also drive to the Constantia Valley. The bus option is comfortable, safe, cheap, and above all, you don't need to drive yourself, because a wine tour without tasting is not a good idea, even with the beautiful wineries. The food in Cape Town is just amazing. The city is loaded with wonderful restaurants, coffee places and local markets. One of the best markets is the Neighbor Goods Market in Woodstock on Saturdays. But every day we've been especially excited about breakfast. The smoothies are delicious and also the sourdough bread in Cape Town does not have to hide from good breads in Europe. Much of it is available in vegan versions, for example topped with avocado. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and feel free to ask any questions or share your personal experiences in the comments below. See you!